This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, October the 12th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system over the mid-Atlantic states and Ohio Valley, producing some clouds and some showers and isolated thunderstorms there. Storm system moving in, that will produce some rain over here. And another system moving into the Pacific Northwest. Watch warning map from just before midnight. Fairly quiet across the country. Wind advisory over eastern Montana and some other issues along the coast with that storm system. Otherwise, it was pretty quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock shows rainfall amounts across the state anywhere between about 1/10 and maybe about an inch, with the heaviest amounts over the east, and this will likely all fall today. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You're going to see a trough moving in over the plain states and into the western part of the Midwest, while a ridge develops over the desert southwest and off the Atlantic coast, where that one system will be. While here, a cold front comes through with some showers and maybe an isolated clap of thunder. Highs will be held down into the 60s with cloudy skies. Thursday, maybe a few early morning showers across the northeastern counties of the state. Otherwise, it'll be clearing and temperatures will be seasonal, 60s to around 70 for highs. Friday, same story. A light north to northwesterly wind with temperatures in the 60s to near 70, with partly to mostly sunny skies above. We head into Saturday to start off the weekend. That storm system is moving out of the Great Lakes and into eastern Canada. We're in a fast-moving flow with rain to our west, and by Sunday it's already to our east, so we could see some rain possibly Saturday night, late or early Sunday morning before it clears and skies turn sunny once more. Monday, here comes another storm system with low pressure, one over South Dakota, one over Kansas, with increasing clouds and showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm Monday afternoon and evening. By Tuesday, the trough becomes very apparent over the Midwest and Great Lakes states, while the ridge begins to build up over the west. And down at the surface, low pressure really strengthens over the Great Lakes. The 540 line dives through the state, so very cold air is possible. Highs may only barely get out of the 40s, and there could even be some flurries. The next day, Wednesday, that trough is more enhanced with another disturbance riding along the northwesterly flow moving into the state, while another one over the south. At the surface, there could be some precipitation just to our north, and it may be in the form of some white stuff or maybe even a mix, depending on what the temperatures will be like. So that'll be interesting. We head further into Voodoo, October the 23rd. Pretty benign across the country, a bit of a disturbance over the south that could be a tropical system, otherwise a west-east flow. The surface, there's the tropical system or a possible tropical system moving in just over the Gulf Coast. Otherwise, a storm system moving in over the Pacific Northwest could be an issue. And at the end of the forecast, October the 27th, plain west-east flow, bit of a trough extending through the west and into the desert southwest, and a vortex over New England. At the surface, there's a possible nor'easter over the eastern and northern parts of New England. Otherwise, a fast-moving flow across the country, with temperatures likely to remain seasonal at that time. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.